to trail 12-6. So the Dragons are back in the game.
You know what's scary is that my score of 12-0 was actually true for a second there.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Mind reader.
So this is Dave Lambert in the Fire World Steve Cornt Fire Services Plus Sprint Car. Anybody like sprint cars here? Absolutely. So this is an awfully tricky proposition for Dave because he's used to a lot more traction. They have to push start these cars. They only have in gear or out of gear situation. Very, very powerful. 900 horsepower. And they only weigh about as much as that Daihatsu without the jet engine. So they're a very lightweight package. So Dave has to be extremely careful with the throttle here. He's giving you an idea of how they slide. 410 cubic inches. And they stand up in the rev range pretty hard. They're an awesome package. You can catch them at Parramatta Speedway every weekend from October through to basically April. Steve is based in Albion Park, the man who owns this car. And Dave Lambert will be enjoying this, I'm sure. His daughter Cara races as well. So Lambo just gave us a bit of a quick demonstration. Obviously he's got to keep everyone safe.